Why are search campaigns being killed by performance max campaigns? We all know the situation. You set up a performance max campaign and boom, your search campaigns, the clicks stop. PMax runs away with the budget yet again. What's worse, the PMax campaigns struggle to generate a great ROI. You're smart, so you run the PMax script. Yeah, the majority of the budget is spent not on the listing groups, aka shopping, but on search. Yet listing groups show a better ROI. So what's going on with the AI advertising? Isn't it supposed to be more intelligent and drive results? You've just discovered the world of keyword and search theme prioritization with Performance Max. Oh joy. But before you commit to me, okay, perhaps you'd like to know who I am. I'm John Langley, founder of Click Convert Marketing, a specialist Google Ads agency working in the UK and the US. We've helped thousands of businesses fix underperforming Google Ads accounts, and we know exactly the questions to ask to instantly spot what's working and what's wasting money. We've generated over 1.5 billion in sales for clients too. You get the picture. Look, if you want more essential Google Ads insights, please don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment. It really helps me build the channel. But back to it. Many people struggle with search and PMax campaigns because they don't understand how the internal keyword matching works between PMax and search campaigns. Too often, people blindly follow Google's advice, build PMax campaigns without knowing how to optimize them. So let's have a quick look at a PMax campaign. Navigate the asset groups and then we'll inspect one. Look for the signals heading. You can see here, it's got a pencil next to it. It's on the right-hand side. We'll just click the pencil. Signals split into search themes and audiences below. In the search themes box, you can see all your search themes, aka keywords. You can have up to 25. Having search themes is often seen as a best practice, but it depends. Now, I'm sure you've read the keyword and search theme prioritization within the Google Ads account documentation. Of course you have. But Google provides this handy little chart for us, and it's quite revealing. Essentially, PMax treats your search themes as pseudo keywords. That's the big news. Now it's clear why Performance Max campaigns cannibalize your search campaigns, as PMax often has a higher priority than search. It's stealing all the traffic, but not always. Look at the chart and it reveals search campaigns that have exact keywords that are identical to the search queries users type into Google search will take priority over PMax. They win. These exact keywords win the auction in the account. However, broad phrases are not given equal priority. They are treated equally across PMax and search, with every campaign's type or search theme winning with the highest ad rank. I know some of you are wondering what ad rank is. Okay, ad rank, it's a point scoring system used to determine the position of your ad in the Google Ads auction. And it's based on your bid, ad quality, expected impact of ad extensions, and competition in the auction. Basically, the highest ad rank wins. So that's why a PMax can win over a search campaign. But remember, PMax ads are created by AI, and as you have to add in all the search assets, PMax, more often than not, is given by Google the higher ad rank. Yep, that's it, the highest ad rank wins. And guess what? All the traffic goes to PMax. What a surprise. So, this is how search themes lead to cannibalization of search campaigns. Search themes may seem useful and a bit of a harmless feature, but they can actually harm your account when they start cannibalizing the search campaigns. That's not the only problem. I touched on on the balance between search, listing, aka shopping, and display. If you use the Mike Rhodes PMax script, there's a link in the description, you can often see your PMax spend across the networks, whereas not often you can. Adding search themes has the effect of increasing spend on search ads within PMax. But as many of you know, the real ROI is with the listing groups. Search themes take budget away from your high-performing listing assets, often reducing your ROI. So, what should you do? There really isn't a straight answer, as it depends on what you want to achieve. To stop PMax cannibalizing search, I'd recommend use exact keywords in the search campaigns. They always win. And remove the search themes from PMax. However, if you want PMax to capture the majority of search traffic, then use search themes. If search within PMax is stealing budget from the listing groups, then either reduce the number of search themes or delete the search themes completely. Alternatively, build pure PMax listing groups with empty search assets. Effectively, you're just producing an AI shopping ad. Okay, I hope that provides some insight into PMax for you. I've also launched a Score Your Google Ads quiz. The link is in the description below. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment. It really helps build the channel. As ever, if you need any help, my team at Click Convert Marketing are always available to help. Just visit clickconvertmarketing.com to find out more.